Summer is in full swing, and we've already been feeling the heat with record-setting temperatures. So it's important that you don't wait till the next triple-digit days before you get your AC tuned up and up to date. Big Mountain Heating and Air offers energy-efficient services that help HVAC systems stay up and running. Varen Larson joins us now to talk about some of the services that they offer at Big Mountain. Hi, Varen.
Hey, Aubrey, how are you?
I'm doing well, and thanks for joining us. It's been hot. It's still going to be pretty hot today. What kind of specials do you have for air conditioning service as we are officially in the hot season now?
Yeah, we got two very special ones. Obviously, some of the things that we talk about a lot on the program, as we're in the next couple of months, the heat is going to really affect us. And if you have a breakdown, it really affects you, not only physically, but also financially for a lot of folks out there. And we have the Rejuvenation service that we offer for the heating and air conditioning. That's the unique part about it. $69 to the first 10 callers. And then we can guarantee your system, meaning the furnace and the air conditioner, for 1 year against breakdown, or the service is free. Also, how would you like to get an air conditioner for free? If you're thinking of going solar, we have a package that will give you solar and a new air conditioner for less than just buying an air conditioning system only. If you give us a call at that number or the number you'll see later on in the in our little segment here.
All right. And what do you recommend that our viewers do when it comes to preventing any AC breakdowns this summer?
Well, hey, the fine dirt gets by that filter that most people or everybody has in a system. Some people don't know they have it. If it gets past that filter, it gets into the human filter, which is our lungs, and that creates a very unhealthy situation within our home. Also, too, the air conditioning system on the outside of your home, when it gets filthy like that, we do a chemical clean with this service we call our Rejuvenation, and it cleans the system and lowers your electric bills, gives you more cooling. You can see how dirt can get in that. That's a coil that sits on top of your furnace. And you know what? A lot of air conditioning tune-ups out there are nothing more than a sales gimmick without any real work service. It looks like they may be doing something. So even if you say, hey, I already have a filter, that fine dirt gets past that filter and gets into the system, gets into the air. This $69 2-for-1 Rejuvenation, it takes care of the summer problems that we're having right now and the winter problems that we're going to be having next season, and it's all included in that $69 price to the first 10 callers.
Varen, talk about that special offer one more time that you have for our YCL viewers today.
Yeah, it's way more than what a lot of people understand a tune-up to be. It's very comprehensive. It takes our technicians 3-4 hours oftentimes to do the work of both the furnace and the air conditioning, complete rejuvenation. And as I said, we guarantee after we've been able to perform this service, neither your furnace or your air conditioner is going to break down on you. And we guarantee you'll save more than the cost of the service. Over the course of the year, just give us a call. We'll refund your money. We offer this special price only to the first 10 callers because we really have to regulate it. It costs us more money than we charge you to perform this service. It's how we gain customers for life.
Varen, just how busy has it been for you guys the past couple weeks?
Crazy busy.
Crazy busy.
Yeah, it's been very, it is. But, we've been able to add some new technicians here recently, and so we've got some openings. And again, that's why we do regulate the number of people that can take advantage of that loss leader pricing.
Very good. Thanks, Varen. If you want more information, all you have to do is visit bigmountainair.com for all the info.